Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to copy from PDF. Firstly, launch Adobe Acrobat Reader and open the PDF file from which you want to copy the text. From the toolbar, click the selection tool. This always allows you to highlight text. Now use your mouse to click and drag across the text you want to copy. Right-click on the highlighted text, then click Copy from the context menu. Now, open any text editor like Notepad, Word, Google Docs, etc. Right-click and select Paste, or press Ctrl+V to paste the copied text. And done, you've successfully copied text from your PDF. Just note that if copying is disabled, the PDF may be password protected or have restrictions. Let me know in the comments below what you need more. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.